Ever wonder why hiccups happen? It all starts with your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe. When it spasms, it causes a sudden breath, and when your vocal cords slam shut, you get that classic hic sound. Common triggers? Eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, or even stress and excitement. Most hiccups only last a few minutes, but in rare cases, they can stick around for days. Got the hiccups? Try holding your breath or sipping water. Sometimes, though, it's just a waiting game. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's quirky way of saying it's alive and kicking.